Hello kids, today we will learn about masculine and feminine gender. Masculine and feminine gender. Boy is masculine gender. Its feminine is girl. Feminine of boy is girl. Male, female. Male, female. God, goddess. Son, daughter. Nephew, niece. Nephew, niece. Father, mother. King, queen. Hero, heroine. Hero, heroine. Horse, mare. Horse, mare. Duke, duchess. Duke, duchess. Groom, bride. Groom, bride. Lad, less. Lad, less. Monk, nun. Monk, nun. Wizard, witch. Wizard, witch. Cow, bull. Cow, bull. Cock, hen. Tiger, tigress. Tiger, tigress. Dog, bitch. Dog, bitch. Brother, sister. Milkman, milkmaid. Milkman, milkmaid. Poet, poetess. Lion, lioness. Gentleman, lady. Gentleman, lady. Duck, duck. Duck, duck. Jack, Jenny. Jack, Jenny. Peacock, peahen. Peacock, peahen. Prince, princess. Prince, princess. Author, authoress. Author, authoress. Poet, poetess. Poet, poetess.